Hey guys, here's a little PSA on foam covered hangers. I've had a lot of clients lately with this problem, and I've known about it for a while, but since it's kind of on my radar, I'm making a video. You know, hangers with the grippy foam seem like a great idea, but the problem is that when you take something to the cleaners, usually it's a special occasion thing or a seasonal thing that is going to stay in the closet maybe for multiple years at a time, and this foam is really just designed to be short term. So when it stays in the closet for more than a year, you know, a year and a half, two, it just starts to disintegrate. So you can see here, this is some foam that came off of a hanger. I should have showed you before it fell apart, but anyway, that's what this was before it disintegrated. It's also just hard to get out of clothes. You have to really shake them out, sometimes vacuuming before you wash or dry clean, just to get all this little fine disintegrated powder out. So you'll see them on wire hangers. Sometimes you can even see them on plastic hangers, and you can even see plastic hangers with it glued onto the edges. And obviously there are times that you need a grippy surface. So as an alternative, you might consider a flocked hanger. But even with the flocked hangers, you get what you pay for. So make sure that you get a good brand, because even the flocking after a while will come off on your clothes. So really the best alternative, if you can, is to just get a hanger without any foam, especially glue, that just has some good notches, and you'll be able to hang your special things and they'll last a lot longer. So stay away from the foam hangers unless it's just getting you from the cleaners to your closet.